Hi everyone, today's video is on what is the purpose of the me keyword in Access VBA, and I'm going to show that to you. Okay, me has to do with scope and the scope of the current form. So let's see, here I have a database and I'm gonna be doing this in front of you, and I just right clicked and created a database, and I have a form here called FRM loop, okay, for lack of a better name. So, and here I put a command button and called the command button what I call it, BTN loop, and I'm going to put a label on here. So we're going to click the button and have the label show the from 1 to 100. It's going to show the current count, and we're gonna have to do me.label caption equals something. So it has to do with the form that's currently has to do with the form that's currently on the screen. So here I'm going to go and add a label. Okay, add something here just so your label doesn't disappear, because these labels have a way of disappearing if you don't add anything. You can always change it afterwards, but this, I'm going to call it LBL LBL text, and I'm going to call this the caption. Right now I'm going to change it to ready. Okay, and now whenever the button starts, when I click on the button, okay, I've click event here on click the triple dots, and so on current event I'm just gonna have this simple loop for 1 to 100. Let's see, of course it needs a variable here. So let's say int counter equals 1 to 100. Okay, and so it's going to do it 100 times, and next, sorry, forward next. We have a forward next loop. Now I'm going to have me, because that's the scope of the variable, the scope of this keyword me is going to be FRM loop. So the one I'm currently on. So instead of typing in forms and what form I'm on FRM loop, I just could do me.lbl text dot caption. It's just a short way of doing things. So and loop count equals, and I'm going to do int crtr. Okay. And now another thing to have it show up on the, because this will loop really fast. And actually I didn't declare what this was. I didn't dimension it. So int ctr. That's why it went all lowercase on me. Integer. Good. Now it should go uppercase. Good. So you will not see. Okay, let me show you this. What happens? I will show you what goes on here. So for this, it automatically goes to, we don't see what happens on the screen. The loop count only equals 100. It happens so fast. So I actually want to see it, what's going on, what count is out on the screen. So I have this little thing, this little keyword called do events. Okay, that takes the attention off the total processing and rendered it on the, you can see it on the form. So just one simple thing, simple addition like this. Let's see. You see now I can see it changing on the screen. So Do Advanced allows me to see what's going on, and it refreshes, it repaints the screen. So remember Do Advanced, it's real important. So Me has to do with the form that's currently in focus, and Do Advanced, it shows the value, shows the result on the screen. So thanks for watching, and coming out to VBAHowTo.com, and you can get the code. Make sure you like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and well, I sure appreciate it. Bye. Thanks for your attention.